This is Super Street Magazine's 120 hours Week to Wicked build-up, where our team will have 5 days to take this stock Honda S2000 and transform its handling, power, and torque output, along with its overall look. Follow along at superstreetonline.com and the Superstreet Facebook page for daily updates on the build progress and an in-depth look at the parts we'll be adding to our AP1 Street project.
All right, so it's Wednesday morning and Kinji's in here doing the piggyback ECU. He's already got the injectors going. So this morning, with any turbo kit, you'd basically need to add in more fuel. So we basically swapped the injectors out to larger injectors. And to be able to control that, you need an engine management system. So with the part of the Gritty Turbo Kit, we went with them. They have a eManage Ultimate, which basically is a piggyback unit, comes with a plug-in harness, goes in between the ECU and the chassis harness. And basically that kind of just retunes everything to compensate for the larger injectors, for the ignition timing. And so it just makes it a complete package.
I've had all types of cars. I mean, I originally started with a Honda Civic back in the day to a Toyota Corolla, all the way from having an actual drift car, which is a Nissan S13 that I did shortly after high school. Then I went to the VIP scene where I had a Lexus GS, second gen. And from there, I stepped into the European market. I started off with the BMW wagon, now I'm in the 330 sedan.
My very first car that I started modifying was a 90 Civic hatchback. From there I went to a CRX and a number of Hondas over the years. Currently I have a 1992 Integra GSR and also have a 2001 AP1, just like the one we're doing now. And ideally drive a 2012 Acura TL SH.
Started off with a Honda Prelude. I did, turbocharged, bolted on a turbo kit on that one. Went to a Toyota Supra for the first time. I loved that. I had a JZ80, put 604 to the wheels back in the day. It was a lot back then. Nothing compared to the 1200 people put out now, but did that. I had MR2s, I had Z, I had a Lexus GS. BMW M3, now currently I have a F80 BMW M3. Want to build another car, maybe build an FD RX-7 again. Well, it worked out great because we're bolting on, the Gritty Turbo Kit, which is a, Carb EO bolt-on turbo kit. So we wanted to kind of get something that was going to match the flow on for a turbo car. So the GPP RS race exhaust is perfect. It's a single exit, 3-inch stainless steel system. It's lightweight. It's really affordably priced, and it works out perfect with bolting on a turbo kit on an NA car.
All right, the turbo kit is on. It's time to fill it up with oil. We are using the Eneos Racing Street full synthetic oil that's going to provide the protection that this high-performance engine needs.
Very same sensation.
All right, so it's the end of day 3. Kinji's just in here confirming the tune that comes pre-programmed in the ECU. Our end goal is to make it to the tuner on Friday, so tune in tomorrow.